Get ready, filmmakers and content creators. DJI is back with the Mini 5 Pro, a compact drone that's set to revolutionize aerial filmmaking. With rumors of a larger sensor, 6K video, enhanced gimbal stabilization, and AI-powered flight modes, this tiny powerhouse promises professional-grade footage without the bulk. From smarter obstacle avoidance to longer flight times and a sleeker, travel-friendly design, the Mini 5 Pro could be the ultimate tool for creators on the go. And today's video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know: camera specs, flight performance, intelligent features, and how it stacks up against previous mini models and other drones in the market. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Whether you're a solo vlogger, a travel filmmaker, or a pro looking for a versatile secondary drone, you won't want to miss this breakdown of the DJI Mini 5 Pro and why it could redefine pocket-sized filmmaking in 2025. Let's jump in. The drone industry is buzzing once again, and this time all eyes are on DJI with the highly anticipated Mini 5 Pro, a drone that promises to elevate the filmmaking experience for both hobbyists and professional creators. DJI's Mini series has always been about combining portability with powerful performance, allowing creators to capture cinematic shots without the burden of carrying heavy equipment. The Mini 5 Pro appears to take this philosophy to a whole new level, offering major upgrades in camera technology, flight performance, and intelligent features that could make it one of the most versatile compact drones on the market. For years, DJI has dominated the drone space by innovating in areas like stabilization, obstacle avoidance, and AI-assisted flight modes, and the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to push these boundaries even further. Early leaks suggest that this drone will feature a larger sensor for superior image quality, improved low-light performance, and possibly 6K video recording, which would make it a true contender for filmmakers who need professional-grade footage in a compact, travel-friendly package. Coupled with enhanced gimbal stabilization, faster flight speeds, and longer battery life, the Mini 5 Pro could redefine what creators expect from a pocket-sized drone. Another exciting area of speculation is DJI's smart flight technology. The Mini 5 Pro may include advanced AI features such as subject tracking, automated cinematic shots, and intelligent obstacle avoidance that make it easier than ever to capture complex sequences with precision. Whether you're shooting a fast-moving action scene, a scenic landscape, or vlogging on the go, these enhancements could drastically simplify the creative process, allowing filmmakers to focus on storytelling rather than technical limitations. Portability remains a cornerstone of the Mini series, and DJI seems committed to keeping the 5 Pro lightweight and compact while integrating these powerful features. Early images and rumors indicate a sleeker, more robust design, improved foldable arms for easier transport, and potentially new accessories that could expand its creative capabilities even further. This combination of portability, performance, and professional-grade features positions the Mini 5 Pro as an ideal tool for travel filmmakers, social media creators, and even professional production teams looking for a versatile secondary drone. The drone's user experience is also expected to see a boost. DJI may introduce a more responsive and intuitive control system, faster GPS and flight stabilization, and improved software integration with the DJI Fly app. This would not only make piloting easier for beginners, but also provide advanced flight control options for seasoned drone pilots seeking cinematic shots with minimal hassle.